For many Phoenixville homeowners, rising energy bills have become a year-round concern. Between hot, humid summers and chilly Pennsylvania winters, heating and cooling costs can quickly climb, especially in older homes with outdated or inefficient windows. Fortunately, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient window installations offers one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, reduce monthly expenses, and enhance home value. Why windows matter. For energy efficiency, windows play a critical role in regulating temperature inside your home. Older windows often have worn seals, thin glass, or outdated frames that allow drafts to creep in and conditioned air to escape. Even small inefficiencies can force your HVAC system to work harder, directly increasing your utility bills. New energy-efficient windows are engineered to solve these issues. Modern features such as double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, insulated frames, and low emissivity (low-E) coatings help block heat transfer, keep indoor temperatures stable, and reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems. Top benefits of installing new windows in Phoenixville: lower monthly utility bills. The biggest advantage homeowners notice is a significant drop in energy costs. Energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures by minimizing heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. This means your furnace and AC don't have to work as hard, resulting in noticeable savings throughout the year. A more comfortable home. Drafts, uneven temperatures between rooms, and hot or cold spots by the windows are common complaints in homes with old windows. New installations eliminate these issues by sealing gaps, improving insulation, and blocking outdoor temperature fluctuations. Whether it's a blistering July afternoon or a freezing January morning, upgraded windows help your home stay comfortable. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Replacing windows not only improves efficiency but also gives your home a fresh, updated look. With sleek frame designs, modern materials, and customizable styles, new windows can dramatically enhance curb appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are a top selling point for Phoenixville buyers, making this investment appealing both now and in the future. Better noise reduction. Phoenixville's active neighborhoods and traffic can bring unwanted noise into your living space. Multi-pane windows and insulated frames help reduce outside sounds, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Improved indoor air quality. Many older windows allow dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants to seep inside. New installations provide a tighter seal, helping keep indoor air cleaner and reducing allergens, especially helpful during seasonal changes. What features to look for in energy-efficient windows? Choosing the right windows is key to maximizing energy savings. Here are the top features Phoenixville homeowners should consider. Low-E glass coatings to reflect heat and reduce UV exposure. Double or triple pane construction for superior insulation. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for added thermal performance. Insulated vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames for better temperature control. Energy Star certification to ensure efficiency standards are met. Partnering with a professional window installation company ensures you receive properly fitted, high-performance windows that deliver long-term results. Why professional installation matters. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform as expected if installed improperly. Gaps, poor sealing, or incorrect measurements can compromise efficiency and shorten the lifespan of the windows. Certified installers ensure your new windows are precisely fitted and optimized for peak performance, helping you maximize energy savings and comfort. Make your Phoenixville home more efficient today. If your energy bills keep rising or your home feels drafty and inconsistent, it may be time to consider new window installations. Modern, energy-efficient windows offer a smart, cost-effective solution that pays off year after year. With better insulation, improved comfort, and long-lasting performance, upgrading your windows is one of the best investments Phoenixville homeowners can make. When you're ready, a trusted local installer can help you choose the right styles, materials, and features to fit your home and budget, so you can enjoy lower bills, greater comfort, and a more efficient living space.